Hi, Si here from Music Radar. We're in NAMM 2020. This is the North Hall thing. We're on the PreSonus stand. This is Dominic. Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
You've got a lot of stuff for us to look at. We're going to start right here on the ioStation 24c. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, so we have some new audio interfaces from PreSonus, starting with the ioStation 24c. This is an audio interface with 2 microphone preamps. Also accepts instrument level as well as line level. And then also production controls, just like our fader port series.
Yeah.
So a motorized touch-sensitive fader, navigation controls, automation controls, as well as transport controls.
Yeah.
Great for podcasting or producing podcasts and that sort of thing, or for the solo artist, or a producer who works alone.
Yeah. Obviously works very well with Studio One.
That's correct. It comes with Studio One.
So, yeah, but mappable to other DAWs and all that sort of stuff as well.
That's correct.
Yeah.
It works with all the DAWs that are available out there through MCU and Huey.
Available now?
That will be available at the end of this quarter. So around March.
Real soon. Real soon.
Yep.
Price-wise?
$299 US MAP.
Okay. Nice, keen sort of area like that.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Let's move on to the next one.
Sure.
StudioLive, the AR8c series.
Correct.
Comes in several configurations. We've got the 8-channel here. You mentioned what was the other one?
There's a 12-channel version and a 16-channel version.
Okay, cool. Let's dive in a bit more. What's happening?
So yeah, we upgraded our AR mixer line to the AR8c mixer line, which means this has a USB-C connection.
Yeah.
That's USB 2.0. We also included X-Max preamps this time, so we improved the audio fidelity of these guys.
Yeah.
This particular guy is cool for podcasting, for mic situation, onboard SD card recording, for redundant recording, but you can also connect this with Studio One, which it also comes with for multi-track recording.
Yeah. Oh, ace. So straight out of the box.
Yeah, right out the box.
All the solutions are all ready to go. Price on the 8-channel?
The 8-channel is $499. Yep.
12?
12 is $599.
Okay. Are they available now?
These are available now.
You can get those right now. Cool. So last but not least, the new Quantum.
That is correct. So we continue the Quantum legacy with the Quantum 2626.
Yeah.
This particular one has Thunderbolt 3, so still the fastest audio interface on the planet. We brought back a classic design of having 4 preamps on the front. 2 of these also accept instrument level. The other 6 accept line level. On the back is going to be all of your audio I/O connections.
Yeah.
There are also inserts for your first 2 preamps here. Yeah. MIDI I/O. You can extend the complete I/O to 26 in and out via ADAC optical connectors.
Yeah.
And then word clock in and out there, and there's your Thunderbolt 3 connection.
Awesome. Everything you might need.
Everything you need.
And
also comes with Studio One.
Obviously that's
that's
the thing you're doing. Price-wise, it's a very eye-wateringly low
$599. Yes.
For, like you say, one of the fastest things out there.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Dominic, it's
Pleasure.
great to see you. Thanks for showing us the
here.
latest stuff from PreSonus. Cheers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share wherever you're seeing this video right now. And do check out musicradar.com for the latest NAMM news as we get it from the show floor. We'll see you soon.